Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix and edit metadata for media files with UniConverter. All you have to do now, you can download UniConverter from Wondershare. This is free. You can try it free. You simply click download and install into your system. Now to get started, you can open UniConverter by Wondershare, and in order to change the metadata, all you have to do now, just click on more tools, click video, or if you don't find, you can find it on audio, and this is fix media metadata. Automatically fix and edit metadata for media files. You can click try it now, and here we go. You can add your file first. For example, save pictures or download the pictures here, or the video. I think let's search the video. This one, this one. So please make backup before editing to avoid error which may cause unavailability of source file. Click OK. Then here you can name, and you can fill the episode name, actor, director, screenwriter, tagline, description, comment, and also release date, genre, content rating, definition, and so on. Even you can add thumbnail here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.